Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Today we will discuss that how we can synthesize alkanes from alkyl halides. So let's discuss. We can synthesize alkanes also when alkyl halide reacts with zinc in the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid. It gives us alkanes and zinc chloride. Okay, so now the question that what is the mechanism behind this? So let's discuss the mechanism. In mechanism, first of all, as we have taken the hydrochloric acid, so the first step that will be the ionization of hydrochloric acid. It will give us hydrogen and chloride ions. Okay, so we get these both hydrogen and chloride ions from the ionization of hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is the first step, ionization. Now second step is, in second step, the X, say X is chlorine. This will react with the zinc. Zinc will take over here, this bond will shift over this carbon, and now what will happen? This carbon ion formed and zinc X is formed. Okay, as it is also deficient of one more halogen, so what will happen next? These ions, now the main reaction of these ions will take place, hydrogen ion and chloride ion. This hydrogen ion, this negative ion will abstract this proton, and this chloride ion will attack over this zinc chloride, so it will form, that is, alkane and zinc chloride, or you can say in general. Okay, so this was all about today's lecture, that how we can synthesize the alkanes from alkyl halides. Okay, in the first step, the ionization of hydrochloric acid will take place. It converted into hydrogen ion and chloride ion. In the second step, the alkyl halide reacts with the zinc. Okay, and the zinc will attack over the halogen atom over this halide, and this bond will shift over here, and it forms a carbon ion. Okay, and carbon ion, now these ions, okay, these hydrogen and chloride ions will react with both of these. This carbon ion, this negative ion, will abstract this proton, and this negative ion chloride will attack over the deficient area, that is zinc chloride. Okay, and forms a zinc chloride and alkanes. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you will understand its mechanism, that how it works, how it forms alkane from the alkyl halides. So I hope you all will understand it and will learn something from this. So for more updates, subscribe to the channel, and thank you.